Good morning class. So today we are going to start with a new exercise, that is 17.4, which is based on the area. So first question says here this, that a 5-meter wide path is built inside a rectangular field, right? There is a rectangular field, okay? It has a length of 550 meters and a breadth of 360 meters, okay? And we have to construct a 5-meter wide path inside. This is 5 meter, this is 5 meter, this is 5 meter, this is also 5 meter. You have to construct a path 5 meter wide inside this, okay? And we want to know the area of this path, okay? For calculating the area of inside portion, what we need to know? We need to know inside dimensions, okay? How will we get the area of this path? The area of this path will be equals to area of big rectangle upon minus area of small rectangle. So first we need to know the length and breadth of inside. As length and breadth of outside are known, we have to calculate the length and breadth of inside, okay? So always the inside portion, look, this complete is 550. From this point to this point it is 550. From this point to this point it is 550, and we need to calculate this small portion, of which this is 5 and this is 5. So look, inside portion, inner length will always be equals to outer length minus width, and minus width, 2 times minus. And if we have to calculate the outer part, always remember, for calculating the outer part, what will we do? Inner plus width plus width. Inner plus width will give you outer part, and we have to, if we have to calculate the inner part will be outer minus width minus width. So it is LI. I stands for inner. So it is 550 minus 5 minus 5, it is 540 meters. In the same way, breadth of inner portion will be equals to breadth of outer minus width minus, so it is 360 minus 5 minus 5. If again you have to calculate the outer portion will be inner plus width plus width, okay? For outer you will add, and for inner you will subtract them both. So it is 350 meters. It is breadth of inner. So now area of path will be area of rectangle outer minus rectangle inner one. So the area of outer rectangle, it is length outer into breadth outer minus length inner into breadth inner. Length outer is 550 into 360 minus 540 into 350. Okay? And this is, it is 18900000. So subtracting it will give you, it is 9000 meter square is the area of path. So this is a question here that says a rectangular plot of 5 meter long and 16 meter wide. There is a rectangular plot has a length of 25 meter, 16 meter. This is the breadth, and the question says that has a gravel walk. This plot has a gravel walk of 1.5 meter all around it on outside, means a outside portion of it, on outside part. It has a 1.5 meter wide path on all the four sides. Okay, here, and here as well. So here we have to find the cost of laying grass on this path. First we should know the area of path, then only we can put grass on it. So for finding the area of the path, what we need to calculate the area of inner and the area of outer rectangle. This outer rectangle minus inner rectangle, you will get this part, like in the above part also. For the finding the area of path, what you did, you found the area of outer rectangle minus the area of inner rectangle, so you got the area of path. So here we need this. Okay, so what we can do here, so first we need to know the outer length and breadth. So look, here we want outer part, so length outer, as I have said, length inner plus width of path. What is inner? Inner is 25 plus 1.5 plus 1.5, that is 28 meters is the length of outer portion. Same for the breadth. Okay, breadth of outer is breadth of inner plus width of path plus width of path. So inner is 16 plus 1.5 plus 1.5. For finding the outer you will add it, for finding the inner you will subtract it. It is 19 meter. So now calculating the area of outer minus inner. Okay, so area of grave will be area of rectangle outer minus rectangle inner. Rectangle outer is length outer into breadth outer minus length inner into breadth inner. So length outer, it is a 28 and 19. Length of inner, it is 25 into 16. Breadth is 16. It is 532 meter square minus it is 400 meter square. So this will give you 132 meter square. This is the area of grave outside the park. And now you have to find the cost of laying grass at rupees 5 per meter square. Cost of laying grass on 1 meter square is rupees 5. On 132 meter square will be 132 into 5, that is 660 rupees. This is our answer, the cost of laying grass on the outer grave. So this is our next question that says that there is a square garden. Okay, this is a square garden with a length of 35 meters. Okay, it is also 35 meters. It is a square, so all sides are equal. So here the two crossroads of 2.5 meter wide are going from the middle. This is a road. and this is also a road. It has a width of 2.5 meter. It is also 2.5 meter. Okay, and we have to find the area of path, means the area of the road. Okay, so look, in this, if we find the area of this road, so what you can do for calculating the area of this road, okay, so here this is the length. This length is equals to the length of the square. This is 35, so this will also be 35, so its length is 35. So area of path has a formula of area of this horizontal road plus vertical road. Road plus area of vertical road minus area of this box. Why we subtract this area? Look, when you calculate the area of this straight path, this path, okay, you get the area of this complete path, this complete, okay, while you calculate the area of this rectangle in between. So you will get the area of this complete, and when you calculate the area of this path, okay, when you calculate the area of this path, this box will come twice. In this also this box is coming, and in this also this small box is coming, which has a breadth of 2.5 and it is also 2.5. okay, so if we subtract the area of this box that was coming 2 times, we will subtract it 1 time. Area of box between at center, okay, at cross section of the two roads. So area of horizontal, so its length is 35, its breadth is 2.5, the road is 2.5 meter wide, plus area of this vertical road has a length of this is the length 2.5 meter. So this is 2.5 meter wide into its length, its breadth. Its breadth is this long. This is equals to 35. Minus area of this box. This box is a square. Length into breadth, side into side. So 2.5 into 2.5. So this is 87.5 plus 87.5 minus 6.25. This is okay. So here it will be subtracting it 168.75 meter square. Okay, this is the area of the path. So this is our next question that says that rectangular lawn of measuring. There is a rectangular lawn. It has a length of 70 meter and it is, so here this is a road and this is also a road. Okay, here this road is 5 meter wide, this is also 5 meter wide. So here we have to find the area of the road. So here if you take this vertical road, it has a length of 5 meter and breadth is this. So what is this? This is 50, this. Okay, so area of vertical road will be length into breadth. Here length is 5 into breadth is 50, 70 meter square. Sorry, 5 into 50 is 250 meter square. Okay, area of horizontal road, this. So here its length is this 70, into its breadth is 5, this, it is 350 meter square. And then the area of this small box comes twice, like in the previous question. This, when you calculate the area of this, so this whole area is included, and we calculate the area of this whole area is included. So we get this area 2 times, so we will subtract this box 1 time. Here this is 5 meter, this is also 5 meter. So subtracting this area, it is a square 5 into 5. So area of road is equals to area of vertical road plus area of horizontal road minus the area of box. Area of box, it is a square, so 5 into 5. So it is 600 minus 25, that is 575 meter square. It is the answer.